Hello friends, welcome back. This time I've come up with a short crash course sort of thing. Like you might have been hearing all the hype around AI and how Python is the language of AI and lot many other things like data engineering and so on. So we don't have to become Python experts. We just need to know the bare minimum or dangerous enough to make some applications or agents using AI. So I'm myself not a expert in programming languages when it comes to even Python. So let me just take you on this journey with me as I learn. I hope you can also learn few things. So welcome to this practical course on AI engineering for DevOps and cloud engineers. I'm so glad you all are here. And if you're already working with cloud infrastructure automation, CI/CD, Kubernetes, or platform engineering, you would have probably noticed that AI is moving very quickly. And honestly, a lot of AI tutorials are either too theoretical, too focused on notebooks, or too disconnected from real engineering workflows because the instructor might be giving you a nice demo of a nice product, but he or she might be clicking around on a web GUI or just clicking on different consoles and then making you believe that it's that easy. But in real world scenarios in the industry, you definitely need to do everything with infrastructure as code, or the solution has to be codified, because if it cannot be repeated, then it's of no use. So that's my attempt in helping you. I have prepared this presentation. It's not like a presentation, there'll be of course all hands on. We'll go through a lot of other concepts. So we start with the basics, like how do we set up the local environment, what are the prerequisites, how we handle files, how do we make API calls, and so on. So I'm not going to drag you through all these presentations. I'll move quickly, and probably the interesting aspects of this course would be building an AI app. Everything is local. You don't need any expensive API tokens or subscriptions or cloud subscriptions. So let's get started. So the first thing that I would want you to do is some sort of a IDE. It could be a VS Code or PyCharm. I am personally using PyCharm, but before that, you also need Ollama, which is can be installed on your local machine. So this is what I have. This is like the installation of Ollama on my machine, and there you could toggle between different models. So how is Python useful for AI engineering? So this is nothing great, because you're just asking a simple question and it'll answer it. But for installation of this, you could probably visit the official website, and based on your machine, you could download at least one of them. And then you need Python. I use pyenv. It is a utility. It's an open source utility where you could install, and following these simple instructions and based on the kind of shell that you have. Once you have installed it, there are here commands, like this is a pretty old version, but you could say Python 3.14, and it will install, and then you do pyenv install. This is for the installation, and then you have to set that particular version as global, local, or in your current shell. So these are the things. I will make sure to include these links for easy download. And of course I started developing some things already. So coming back to the course, let me find the right let me close these windows. So yes, first we need to have those prerequisites installed. So first you need a decent modern IDE. you need Python installed on your machine, and you need Ollama, because we will be at the later stages of this course, we will be interacting with AI, and as I mentioned, we are not using any paid subscriptions or API tokens. So here is a couple of print statements. So I import some libraries, then I print simple statement, and then I'm trying to just verify if I have everything installed. I mean, I could do it with a terminal command, Python version, and I do have Python 3.14.5, and I can also list out my Ollama models which are on my machine. So I do have Gemma 4 and 3.2, Llama 3.2. I can also run these programmatically, and all I have to do is run this file. So that's it, the same thing that we typed, and that's it. So once these prerequisites are done, we are good to go. So I'll stop this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.